Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to crochet this cute dumpling keychain. It's super easy too. It only took me about 15 minutes to finish. You can use it as a keychain or a cute bag charm. Let's get started. I will use micro plush yarn, what I bought on Temu. This is the dough color. For this yarn, I'll take hook number 2.5. You can use any your yarn and your hook. And also, I'm gonna need scissors and a needle. And also a little fiber fill will be needed. Well, I will need a ring to attach a keychain. I will use one of these. First, we make a magic ring. Lay the yarn tail across your palm and wrap the working yarn around your index and middle fingers to create an X shape. Hold the yarn in place with your thumb. Insert your crochet hook under the first strand of the X and over the second. Grab the second strand with your hook and pull it under the first one, twisting the hook slightly to create a loop. Yarn over with the working yarn and pull through the loop on your hook. This locks the ring in place. This chain usually doesn't count as a stitch. Now, work 6 single crochets directly into this ring, making sure to crochet over both the ring and the yarn tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your stitches and pull the yarn tail firmly until the center hole is completely closed. Don't pull the tail too tight until you finish the first round. It makes it easier to slip stitch into the first stitch. In the second round, make 6 increases. To make an increase, I'll make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. First increase. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third round, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. As a round split, I don't use markers. I just put a thread of contrasting color in. The fourth round, make 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat it 6 times. Now in the fifth round, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. In the sixth round, repeat 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets 6 times. Round 7, repeat 5 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. In the 8th round, repeat 3 single crochets, 1 increase, and 3 single crochets 6 times. So now the 9th round, 7 single crochets and 1 increase. In the 10th round, repeat 4 single crochets, 1 increase, and 4 single crochets 6 times. The 11th round, now fold in half our dumpling and crochet through both sides of the piece. The first stitch will be a single crochet. Next, work 28 double crochets to make a double crochet. First, yarn over. Then insert your hook through both layers at once and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Finally, yarn over once more and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Stuff the dumpling with fiberfill before finishing the row of double crochets. You need to take a little bit fiberfill. It doesn't need to be stuffed tightly. 28 double crochets are done. All we have left is to make 1 single crochet. Now we make 1 chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off, but leave a long tail sewing. Place the dumpling with the right side facing up. Press down on the middle of the dumpling and bring the 2 sides together. And now we sew 2 corners together. For the last and first loops, just make a few stitches and tighten it well. Here are 3 stitches done. Now fasten off and hide the torn. Such a cute dumpling we got, and now I'll put in a ring. And that's all. Our dumpling is ready. Subscribe to my channel too, don't miss the other videos. Also watch my other tutorials. And please leave a comment under this video if you liked it. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.